You guys, welcome back. Summer is officially here, and I'm craving something refreshing and savory. Today I'm making Mee Kola, a Cambodian noodle dish that's umami, nutty, and fresh, full of different textures coming together. Let's get started. We'll need dried rice stick noodles. This is what I have available today. I find the medium-sized noodles work well. Submerge in room temperature water. Let it soak for 1 hour. What makes this dish tasty is all of the toppings. The amount that you prepare is up to you. Roasted peanuts. Ground them up like this. Dried shrimp. Let's cook this for a minute. Drain and toast them up. Dry again over medium-low heat. Blitz them up into a powder like this. Bean sprouts. Blanch for a few seconds in boiling water to wilt them slightly. I also have Vietnamese ham, boiled eggs, mint, and scallion. Roasted chili flakes for a kick. And sweet and sour fish sauce, which I have a recipe on how to make on my channel. I'll link it. This is pickled green papaya with cucumbers and carrots, cut into different thin shapes. It's sweet, sour, and refreshing. And I also have a video on how to make this on my channel. I'll link it. Let's make crispy fried garlic in garlic oil. On medium-low heat, in goes the smashed garlic. And as soon as it turns golden color like this, it's done. For a sweet and savory sauce for the noodles, oyster sauce, fish sauce, sweet dark soy sauce, sugar, and water. The sauce is done. One hour later, the noodles are pliable and opaque. Drain them well. In a pan, with the heat shut off, in goes the rehydrated rice stick noodles. Add in fried garlic and its oil. and all of the sauce we made. Mix. Once combined well, turn the heat on to medium-high. The noodles should be chewy and bouncy. Now to assemble Mee Kola. The noodles, mint, bean sprouts, Vietnamese ham, eggs, pickled vegetables, more mint, lots of grounded roasted peanuts, dried shrimp powder, liquid from pickled vegetables, sweet and sour fish sauce, roasted chili flakes. Here we have it, Mee Kola, served at room temperature. And almost forgot scallion. Mix it all up. This noodle is everything I want in one dish. Umami, savory, sweet, slightly tangy, spicy, crispy, bouncy, chewy, creamy, comforting, and refreshing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button to show some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.